Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Honda Accord alternator. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Next, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various wrenches, and a serpentine belt tool. Finally, locate the alternator, which is typically situated on the front of your engine, making it accessible for the replacement process. Now, let's remove the old alternator. Begin by loosening the serpentine belt tensioner and carefully removing the belt from the alternator pulley. Then, disconnect all electrical connectors and the main power cable attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the alternator's mounting bolts. There are usually 2 or 3 bolts holding it in place, so remove them to free the unit. With the old unit out, it's time to install the new alternator. Carefully position the new alternator into its bracket and secure it by tightening the mounting bolts. Next, reconnect all the electrical connectors and the main power cable firmly. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt onto the pulley, making sure it's properly seated and has the correct tension for optimal performance. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery cable securely to restore power to your vehicle. Start the engine and observe your dashboard for any warning lights. Use a multimeter to confirm the charging voltage is around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. Listen carefully for any unusual noises or belt squealing, which could indicate an issue with the installation or belt tension.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.